Hey guys, John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H9i Headphones. When you're spending so much on a pair of headphones, at the very least, most people are expecting something truly satisfying. And not surprisingly, the Beoplay H9i hits the mark squarely on the bullseye with its premium construction. Now, the majority of its frame is comprised out of anodized aluminum, giving it an incredible amount of durability. Complementing that, the headband is wrapped in leather with that distinctive stitching pattern outlining the frame. And lastly, the ear cups consist of memory foam wrapped in soft lambskin. Bang & Olufsen's signature sound quality is showcased profoundly here with the H9i. It conjures up a pleasant mixture of clear vocals and distinct percussions in many of the Linkin Park tracks we listen to, all while the bass acts complementary to the experience. The 40mm drivers powering the headphones are not bass heavy like many of the mainstream headphones out there, but we really dig how all audio ranges seem to balance each other out. Making the experience even better, the custom equalizer settings offered through the app allows us to tune the performance to our liking. Now that's no doubt useful, especially when each individual has a different preference, so being able to adjust it is especially useful. Enabling active noise cancellation, we can attest that it does a fantastic job of muting unwanted ambient noise. Even though there isn't a pair that totally cancels out all noise, the Beoplay H9i is one of the better performing headphones we tested recently in this particular area. Using it in the gym, we're not even able to hear the music being played through the speakers there, nor the conversations from nearby patrons as well. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H9i achieves the trifecta as it looks good, sounds good, and even manages to maintain a solid connection. Adding to that are all the other goodies, like its superb active noise cancellation and those transparency modes, which simply adds to its satisfying arsenal. Seriously, we don't have too many complaints about them, with the exception of its price. And that's the thing, the $500 sticker price of the Beoplay H9i is just crazy expensive, to the point that it's limiting its reach to the masses. This surely isn't what we'd consider to be a mainstream option, primarily because its expensive cost makes it nearly impossible to compete directly against headphones priced in the $300 range. And to tell you the truth, there are several headphones in that category that offer nearly the same set of features as this. If you're all about establishing your status, the Beoplay H9i will undeniably ensure that. From the name of the brand to its premium design and its excellent audio performance, the Beoplay H9i is the sort of thing you'd buy to reach that status symbol level. And that is it. If you want to learn more about them, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.